video, I'm going to show you how to change the gear oil inside of the gear here, how to fill it up properly with the proper amount. In a lot of scooters out there, you basically just fill this till it starts coming out. Well, not in this particular scooter. Also, you'll notice there is no drain plug at the bottom, so I'll show you the whole process in this video. You definitely want to watch this if you just rebuilt your upgraded your gear or anything like that. First of all, right here is stamped oil 0.09 liters. So what that means is you have to put 90 milliliters of oil in. So you will put 80-90 gear oil in. Any brand will do. And you'll need a syringe where you can measure out exactly the right milliliters. So this one goes up to 60, so we'll fill it up to 60 and then we'll do 30 more. You're gonna need a container. Make sure everything is clean and do not wipe any of this, for example, after you wash it with paper towel so you don't get any of the lints in there that will contaminate your nice clean oil. So in my case, the gear is empty right now, but if you were just trying to switch the oil without any pulling the plate off or anything, you would basically just open that and just put the bike on its side and let it all come out. Just like this. It's a 2-stroke engine, so you can put it on the side, no problems. Okay, let's get started here. You're gonna need a 12 millimeter socket. Okay, so what you wanna do is put roughly 90 milliliters in here. Okay, so you're gonna take your syringe here, we're gonna fill it up to 60, and then we're gonna fill it up to 30 after to get a combined 90 milliliters. Now remember, if you put too much of this fluid, you will blow out your seals. Lots of problems can happen like that. It's gotta be the right amount. It's engineered for a specific amount. You gotta do it all precise. Okay, so there we have it. So that's 60 going in. We're actually gonna put this on its side like this. Okay, there we go. 60 milliliters going in for now. Remember, we need 30 more for a combined of 90. And like I said, other bikes, you would just fill it. Every thing is designed differently, so you got to do what you're supposed to do for this particular Honda Dio motor. Okay, now we're gonna put 30 more in here. Okay, so there's 30 more milliliters. Let's put that in. And that's that. Okay, that's it. Now this is all clean, so you can just put it right back into your container and then just wash it out. So now you close that up. 12 millimeter. Not too tight, not too loose. And there you go. So hopefully that answers your question on how to do this and how much fluid to put, because there really is no other videos out there that do it properly. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much. Hopefully I helped you on this scooter. Make sure you watch my other video on these upgraded stroker gears that are out of spec going around, and I will in that video show you the solution of how to actually install it properly using both the plastic washer and the metal washer, which have to be in there, otherwise your fluid will turn black. So subscribe to my channel to get to that other video. Thank you.